Today I'm here to guide you how to use Windows 11 like a pro, okay? Windows 11 comes with sleek design and powerful productivity feature. If you want to use it like a pro, here is a step-by-step guide to mastering this feature. Number 1 is customize your start menu and taskbar. Okay, first is pinning for apps. The start menu. How can I add that? Just go here, start menu. Then after we have to search your apps here. Suppose I want to add here this OBS studio, and just right click and you can pin to the start, or you can pin to this taskbar also, right? And this is very helpful to access very fast. Now next is this, move the start taskbar to the left. Okay, you can move the taskbar to the left side like Windows 10. Okay, how to do that? Go to start menu and go to setting. Then after we have to go to personalize. Here is personalize. Then after go to the task bar. Here is task bar, and you have to choose task bar behaviors. Here is that. Just click here. And boom, you can choose left, okay, and it's just like Windows 10 right, or you can just center also. This is one of the very mind-blowing setting, I think. And you can enable or disable, okay, this type of widgets, or inserts. Okay, how can I do that? Start menu, setting, go to your personalizations, and again go to the taskbar and toggle to the widgets and inserts. Okay, find out here this inserts. Then after just you can enable or disable it. Okay, you can add this source option here, or you can put their source box, source label, source icon only. Okay, and so you can manage, right? This is very useful trick. And now next is to use the snap layers for better multitasking. We have so many documents in your computer and you want to copy that some data from one file to other file. You can use this method, right? Go to the maximize button and you can find out here tab, right? And you can just choose one. Then after you can choose another here. Which one do you bring here? Okay, you can manage like that. You can manage multiple files like this. Okay, just drag in, and you can manage from here also. Okay, you can manage 3 like this, right? Or you can manage 4 also here. Yes, you can manage 4 files at once in your Windows 11 desktop. Wow, very useful tricks. I think this is right. Now we can use Windows Z shortcut for this trick. Okay, press Windows Z and you can add like this, right? And now next is the master virtual desktop. Okay, you can switch to the different types of text view. Simply press Windows tab key and you can switch like this. Okay, and choose arrow key and you can switch like this, right? Put escape here and you can create new boards with escape. Simply you can press Windows Ctrl D, or you can create from here also. Okay, I have created here so many virtual desktop. Simply press Windows Ctrl or D, or you can press just here, click here and create new desktop, right? And you can switch between desktop using Win Control, left arrow and right here, just like that. Okay, you can move this desktop using this command Win Control plus left or right arrow, right? Or you can close the desktop with the shortcut Windows Control plus F4. Okay, try this. One desktop for work, consider one desktop for work, the next desktop for some tasks, and one for entertainment. Commands like that. And you can use very powerful keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11. You can show or hide simply pressing Windows D. Okay, and you can open File Explorer simply pressing Windows E. Let's open the File Explorer. Simply press Windows D to hide, and then after you can press Windows V for keyboard history. This is the keyboard history. It's turned on. What is there? You copy. Find here, just copy and you can press to right. This is also very useful. You can press Windows X key to toggle the different types of the shortcut setting, and you can use Alt tab to switch between apps, right? And you can use Windows Shift plus S to take a screenshot, Windows Shift plus S, and you can create a screenshot like this, and you can choose Ctrl Shift Escape key from the text manager. Okay, first Ctrl Shift and Escape. This will open the text manager, right? Wow, nice Windows 11. And now number 3 is that you can enable dark mode and personalization. You can change your background setting apps, and you can use dark mode. Just go to start menu and go to the setting, and after simply you have to go to the personalization, and here you can choose your theme, which theme do you want to work. Okay, and then after We can choose the dark mode also. And these are the dark mode setting. And choose like this dark mode. Okay. And choose in here light mode. And you can change the wallpaper from the setting, right? Go to the background, and you can use here picture also, and you can browse picture, custom picture. You can choose like this, right? And go to themes and change icon and UI colors, personalizations, and you can go to the themes. And from here you can change desktop icon setting, okay, contrast themes like this. So many options is provided here. Okay, this is one of the very nice trick. Number 6 is that use the new file explorer efficiency. You can use that. You can use this setting, is very important. Suppose if you have a file on desktop and you just right click and you cannot find out, here the menu option like Windows 10. Okay, when you press Shift plus right click, when you press Shift and click right, then you can find out here like Windows 10 options. Okay, press Shift and click right. You can find out all the files manual like in Windows 10. Shift plus right click. Very easy. Now you can enable advanced debug feature. Just press Win plus B. Simply press Win plus B key and you can find out the copy clipboard, right? Just you can copy and paste from the clipboard. This is very easy, right? And next is that you can list performance. You can go to the task manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift key. Ctrl Shift plus Escape. And go to Style of Apps. This application and you will not need it. Just right click and disable that, right? And next is that you have to disable animation effects. In the computer, go to this Windows option, go to setting, then after go to accessibility, and you can find out visual effects and just turn off this animation effect, transparency effects also. Right, while you do this option, then your PC will be fast. 9 number is used to Windows Terminal and Power Tools. Windows Terminal is that Windows X key That is shortcut. You can access many types of setting from here. Task manager, sharing, files, photo. So many device manager here, and you can download Power Toys from Microsoft Store, and just click Fire Toys and click install. Okay, I have already installed, and just open this and you can manage shortcut keys from here. Okay, you can find out many shortcuts. Shift plus B, open advanced paste window. Okay, like this. These are very helpful. Okay, then after you have to secure your system. How can I do that? Secure sharing. Then I have to go into security option, use privacy and security, and go to Windows security, and go to virus and threats, and after scan, do the full scan once a month, and this keeps the system up to date. And you can turn on the BitLocker for fingertip and face unlock. Go sharing. Okay, go sharing, then after go to accounts tab, and here you can go sign options. From here you can use face recognition, Windows Hello option, pin, fingerprint, so many here. If you have to support that, right? By following these steps you can maximize your efficiency and use Windows 11 like before. Your friend, let me know if you need any further help for this specific feature. Okay friend, I think this video will help you to use Windows 11 like Pro. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.